Popcorn is one of the best snacks ever. But have you ever stopped and thought, why does it pop? I mean, how does a tiny, hard kernel turn into something soft and fluffy? Let's take a closer look. Every popcorn kernel has three important parts: the outer shell, the soft inside, and a teeny tiny drop of water hidden right in the middle. That water is the secret. When we heat up the kernels, like in a microwave or on a stove, the water inside gets hotter and hotter, and when water gets hot, it turns into steam. The steam pushes against the hard shell, kind of like a balloon filling up with air. The shell holds it in for as long as it can, but then, boom, the pressure becomes too strong. The shell bursts open, and the soft inside flips out and becomes the fluffy popcorn we eat. And that's why you hear all those fun popping sounds. Each pop is a tiny steam explosion, turning a kernel into a tasty treat. Next time you eat popcorn on movie night, remember, each piece started with water and a big pop.